Track tension should be inspected and adjusted after every ride for the first 150 miles of use to ensure proper tension as the track stretches during break-in. After break-in, the tension should be inspected every 150 miles. Improper tension may result in damage to the suspension, track, or drive shaft. Extreme vibration felt under hard acceleration or track loads indicates the tension should be inspected immediately, as continued use could result in permanent damage. To inspect and adjust the track tension on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Before beginning, ensure the track has been warmed up. Then, ensure the transmission is in neutral. Next, safely elevate the snowmobile so the rear track is off the ground. Refer to your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Begin by rotating the track by hand to check for damage. Carefully examine the track along the entire length of each rod. Bend the track to ensure there is no breakage. Replace the track if any rod damage is found. If inspection reveals any concerns, see your authorized Polaris service center. Next, measure 16 inches ahead of the rear idler shaft bolt on the track. Then, apply 10 pounds of weight on the track and measure the slack between the track and the rails. If the track requires adjustment, begin by loosening the rear idler shaft bolt, but do not remove. Then, loosen the adjuster lock nuts on both sides of the track. Tighten or loosen the track adjusting screws to provide equal adjustment on both sides of the track. Repeat the measurement on the other side of the track. Before continuing, ensure the transmission is in forward gear. Next, start the engine and apply a small amount of throttle until the track starts to slowly rotate at least 5 revolutions. Then, stop the engine and allow the track to come to a stop without applying the brakes. Now, check the track alignment and adjust as necessary. After adjusting, tighten the lock nuts until fully seated. Then, torque the idler shaft bolt to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.